Yung madaling trabaho, they don't really help you become better. Parang sa weightlifting lang yan. Pag magaan yung binubuhat mo, maliit ang kanilang epekto, di ba? It's the challenging work. It's the difficult work. Those are the ones that make us curious, make us creative, and make us learn new things. Ganun din sa boss eh. Kapag ka ang boss mo mababa ang standard, they don't really help you become better. Of course, they make your lives easy, pero they don't provide enough challenge for you to learn and be creative. So, what kind of boss do you need? You need someone who is both demanding of high quality, high standard of performance, but also supportive in terms of giving you the resources and lessons that you need in order to deal with those challenges of high standard and high quality performance. Sa ExecuServe, of course, we like easy customers, di ba? Pero the ones that really help us become better at what we do are the demanding customers who know the difference between good service and bad service, quality delivery and poor quality delivery. Those who demand that we elevate our practice are the ones who help us grow and become better as an organization. And as a result, we're also able to deliver better to those easy customers because we learn how to elevate our performance, our practice through our demanding customers and eventually help all our customers. So kapag meron po tayong nakaharap ng mga challenging tasks, don't immediately give up. Don't say it's too hard. Learn, be curious, and be creative. I hope this helped.